The Clarke CMSTRT Mechanic seat has a compact and lightweight design and makes car maintenance a whole lot easier. The welded steel frame has a tough powder-coated finish, and the durable seat is manufactured from white clean polyethylene. With its mobile base and tool rack solution, it is designed to keep common tools close at hand for garage and workshop jobs. The comfortable seat can be removed for use as a kneeling pad, and it has a convenient storage tray underneath. Swivel castors ensure smooth manoeuvrability when working around or beneath a vehicle. The Clarke CMSTRT Mechanic seat, with its easy-to-reach tool rack, convenient storage tray, comfortable removable seat, and swivel castors for manoeuvrability. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it.